Hello everyone, welcome back to a brand new Tech Reviews and Gadgets episode where today we're taking a look at some hi-fi sound quality computer speakers. And you guys are currently watching CrewElite. In today's episode, we're taking a look at the Nylavee computer soundbar. And this soundbar has hi-fi sound quality, it has Bluetooth 5.0, and it also has an auxiliary input. So you can actually plug an aux cable directly into this soundbar and then connect it to your computer or your phone or whatever device you have playing music on. And then additionally, with this soundbar, it is USB powered. So you have to plug in a USB cable to supply it with power. It doesn't have its own portable, rechargeable battery. So do keep that in mind. This soundbar, you will need it constantly powered in order to utilize it. As always, product information, specifications, and details will be listed down below in the video description alongside with the link to make a purchase if you're interested in buying this portable soundbar. But right now, what we're gonna do is actually move over to the first look and unboxing portion of this video. Here is the packaging of the computer soundbar, and on the outside of the box there's a few specifications and details about this soundbar. But now let's get cracking inside this box. We are first greeted with a bag that contains our user manual, and this user manual will explain to you all the different features and things you can actually do with this soundbar. Additionally, we do get a product service card. Right here is our 3.5mm audio jack cable. But now let's take a look at the computer soundbar itself. You can see how compact this soundbar is. We do have this volume knob on the side which allows you to adjust the volume and also change to various different modes of the soundbar. And there's also a USB cable that's already pre-attached to the soundbar that you need to utilize to power up this soundbar. This is everything that's included with this computer soundbar. So now let's actually test out this computer soundbar. I showed you guys with the unboxing, there's a lot of different features that this soundbar has. And you can actually see the 4 different speakers on, with 2 on each side, and then the 2 bass diaphragms in the middle right here. And then there's also a few tips that they have on the side here just to let you know how to utilize this soundbar. But overall, the soundbar itself is pretty simple. I'm going to actually untie this zip tie. And now what I'm going to actually be utilizing to supply power to this soundbar is my laptop that's beside me right here. So I'm just going to plug it in and it should light up. And it's making some sort of audio notification. And you guys can actually see there's a blue light on the side right here. So with this soundbar, like I mentioned, you have 2 different options for playing audio through it. You can either utilize, Bluetooth, or you can utilize that aux cable that they actually included within the packaging. In order to actually get this soundbar into Bluetooth mode, you need to click on this volume knob twice very quickly. There we go. And it looks like it should be connected. Let me check on my phone. Let me see if I start playing the music. Let's see. Okay, so it is connected. So we have my phone connected to this soundbar right now. And we are max volume, but I think I can increase the volume on the volume knob here. Not bad, so far at least. Max volume. Not bad so far. There's actually a lot of bass. Not bad. So with this soundboard, there is a lot of bass, at least so far with my test, which is good. I like bass, so sound quality sounds pretty decent. Hopefully my lav microphone is making the sound quality justice right now. Oh, so this is actually our LED indication that's on the side right here, as you can see. Okay, I think we kind of get the point with this song, so I'm gonna actually pause the music. And now let's actually exit out of Bluetooth mode and connect this with an auxiliary cable. So let me double tap again. And it says that LED indication will go off, and I think that's what it just did. So I'm gonna plug it into this port right here, aux in. There we go. And we're gonna plug it into this laptop right here. There we go. We can hear it's making some static noise, which means it's, you know, connected. And my laptop's asking me what device I just connected, so we should be good to go. So let me quickly find a song, and we're gonna test out the sound quality via aux. Okay, so I have a song pulled up now, and we're gonna test out the sound quality via the aux cable. Let me click play, and I think I gotta increase my laptop's audio. This is just 50%. 70%. 90% and 100%. It's not bad. I think the higher you go, the more difficult it gets for the soundboard. But so far, with this sound or this song I'm saying, so far it doesn't sound too bad though. No, it's not bad actually. No, it's not bad at all. The sound quality is actually pretty decent. I can decrease the volume. Oh, it looks like that's max, so if I go the other way, I can decrease the volume with that volume knob that they included on the side, which is really cool. Alright, I think we kind of get the sound sample completed. So yes, this soundboard isn't bad at all. You know, you have Bluetooth, you also have that aux mode you can switch it to. Additionally, with the Bluetooth mode, you could also do some sort of, what do you call it, gestures and stuff with the soundboard. And what I mean by that is you can, like, you know, accept phone calls, increase the volume, change, you know, those types of things. So there is actually a whole lot you can actually do with this soundboard. This soundboard doesn't have its own remote control, so do keep that in mind. But overall, it's a pretty simple soundbar that honestly doesn't sound bad at all. I'm actually impressed with how it sounds considering the price of this soundbar. So, one of my final opinions and remarks about this Nylavee Bluetooth 5.0 USB powered soundbar. Well, as you saw with my demonstration, this soundbar is pretty decent. You know, it was easy to set up. It's honestly probably the easiest soundbar I've ever set up on the channel. It's very simple to get up and running. You know, you just have one cable you got to worry about, and that's just to supply it with power. Once you supply it with power, you either have, you know, Bluetooth or aux. You know, with Bluetooth, that means you're wireless. With aux, you have to directly plug it into some sort of, you know, device to play your music or a source of sound. So overall, this is a very simple soundbar, you know. And so far, with the two songs I did test out, the sound quality was actually pretty decent. So the stereo quality is actually pretty impressive with this speaker. You know, they included those two, what do you call it, bass diaphragms in the middle, but they also included 4 speakers with 2 on each side. And I think that did a really good job of actually balancing and neutralizing the sound. If you did enjoy this comprehensive review, make sure you go down below and hit that subscribe button, and also turn on post notifications on to get updates and alerts when we do upload. Have any questions or concerns, leave a comment. Enjoy the video, leave a like, and also share this video to anybody who may be interested in some sort of computer soundbar. Also, as always, product information, specifications, and details will be listed down below in the description of this video, alongside with the link to make a purchase if you're interested in actually buying this portable soundbar. Thank you all for tuning in to this video. I had a blast making this episode, and I hope to see you all on the next video. CrewElite signing off. Thank you all for watching, and have a good rest of your day.